Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Well, Microsoft has a lot of time of its hands from what we see. It actually created an app that is called Microsoft Recommended Search Settings. And when you download that app, what it does, it puts Bing everywhere, even adds extensions to the Bing search on your favorite browser. So this was discovered by Windows latest, and they actually tried it. They downloaded it and let it do what it had to do. What was interesting is that the Chrome browser immediately fought back, saying, "Oh, your settings are about to be changed. Uh, you want me to, remove this extension, make sure that it doesn't do anything?" So it's like, an ongoing war. But it's interesting. It's like, why are you wasting time to do something that nobody wants when you need to take that time and continue fixing the things that people want? It's just an incredible thing to see that there's a waste of a lot of the manpower for useless things, and shows just how lost Microsoft could be at times in its different divisions. So if you come across a Microsoft recommended search setting app that tries to install something, just move away from that. Close the app, remove it from your PC. It is a piece of crap app from Microsoft that tries to have you searching with Bing everywhere. And that's just the funny thing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.